Today we're going to show you why this is the best family property in all of Tahoe Donner. Let's take a look. Right when you walk in, you're greeted with vaulted ceilings, a chef's kitchen, and panoramic views. One of my favorite features about this house is the separation of space. Down here you've got a pool table room, a theater, and even a hot tub. So this is a fully custom remodel with tons of intricate stuff, built-in bunks, and even the super cool little secret room. Outside you have a fantastic kids play area with a slide, a jungle gym, and even a secret room with a kids castle. As you can see, this is a custom one-of-a-kind remodel, but I wanted to end here because this view is incredible. If you'd like to take a look in person, please give us a call anytime, or if you have questions, don't hesitate to call.